Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to place restrictions on users on Ziprecruiter. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Ziprecruiter employer account, which of course I've done right here. Now, I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI matching, finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to place restrictions on users. So from your employer account homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have My Account. Click My Account. And you have this extended menu that says Subscriptions, Settings, Get $100 Credit, Help Center, and Sign Out. So click on Settings. Now you're going to have a further extended menu. It says Users, Hiring Companies, Career Page Widget, Hiring Badges, My Labels, Company Info, and Options. Select Users. It's going to take you to this window. So I have one user here. So I'm going to open up this user. Just click on the user's name, and it's going to take me here. So scroll all the way down to Access Settings, where you have this account owner. So manage account, and so Access Settings, and you have this account owner option. Okay. So from this Access Settings, I'm not able to perform any function right here because I'm just the only user here. But then if you have other users and you want to tweak, you want to place restriction on the users, just go ahead and click on Access Settings, and you're going to see your users right here below. So select the user, and okay, this is the user already, right? So this is the user here. So head over to Access Settings, and you see options for you to change or restrict the user or place a restriction on the user from this particular window. So I'm not able to do that right here because I am the only person and I am the owner, right? I am the owner. But then if you have somebody else, you can head over here and, click on the Access Setting, click on whatever title is given there, and restrict the user that deactivates the user. So once you deactivate the user will not be able to perform any function right here on Ziprecruiter. So this is pretty much it. So once you have your users, head over to click on the user, head over to Access Settings, and go ahead and deactivate the user from here. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.